dancing demon, watch me twirl and hop and spin. I'm here to give a smile, but I won't forget your sin.
Wait, where'd this come from? I don't need that. Wait, I could just sleep on the pentagram. Or can I? I don't know. Wait a second. Hold up. Hold on. Let me check my secret calendar. Oh my goodness! This thing is so uncomfortable. Even while waking up, I can't even sleep normally. It's the 4th of July. Wait, who said that? Who said that? It's the 4th of July. Sorry, I can't hear you. What? It's the 4th of July. What the? Bendy? What are you doing in my room? It's the 4th of July! Oh my gosh! We have to go outside to the beach right now! Why are you so obsessed with this event or something? Because of the fireworks! Oh, fireworks, huh? Well, we can't see the fireworks today. Like, what are we gonna do? We're gonna put on fire and they can work? Like, fireworks are supposed, like, you know all about fireworks, right? Like, you know about them. I want to see fireworks. I think you are having an ego. No, it's not ego. It is just excitement. I just want to see the fireworks. Please can we go see that? I guess so. Yes, we're gonna see the fireworks. Eee! Come on, let's go. Eee! Bendy, wait. It's the 4th of July, guys. Okay, guys, what are you doing on the stairs? Well, Bendy is so... Okay, let's go. Okay. 4th of July. It's time. 4th of July. Bendy, calm down, alright? Yeah, it's just some dumb fireworks, okay? What did you say about the fireworks? The fireworks are done. You talking trash about my fireworks? Stop beating me up. I'm sorry. Oh. Okay, the fireworks are not dumb. They're smart. Thank you. Jeez. Hold up, did you just make a SpongeBob reference? What? Okay, enough with the cringy fourth wall break stuff. Okay, but... Man, why'd you do that, Bendy? You beat my butt up. I don't know. 'Cause you said the fireworks were dumb. Well, Bendy, all we do is watch fireworks. And that's all. No, there's more stuff about the fireworks. Wait. No, I meant there's more stuff about the beach. The sand. The spiders. The teeth. The plants. The flowers. You mean the 4th of July? Oh, yeah. There's more stuff about the 4th of July. You just never figured it out. Oh. Well, I don't care. We're going to see the fireworks. But we're going to have to bring some people. A list of people. A list of who's coming and a list of who's not. Okay, so the first person that's coming with us is Circus Bendy. Mainly Circus Bendy. There's also Alice, Boris, Calamaria, Bendy. Oh wait, hold on, Bendy. What is it, Dad? Hey, what are you doing, Dad? Dad, why you put me in here? I can barely even breathe. Oh wait, never mind. There's a hole in here. Oh. Bendy, are you okay? Bendy, why'd you put Bendy inside of that bag? He could suffocate and die. Well, since he's so small, we don't want him to lose him at the beach or something. Or maybe we shouldn't just bring him. Alright. I didn't even want to go and see fireworks anyway. What did you say about the fireworks? Okay, I like fireworks, but I just don't want to see them today. You will see. I'm just kidding. You can stay here. Our new babysitters are coming tomorrow, soon. No, wait, not tomorrow. What? For the last time, we don't need a new babysitter. Okay, I'm just gonna put him here. There you go. Now you stay in your mother's room, okay? Bye. Okay, I got it situated. Okay, now as I was saying, we're also gonna be bringing Freddy. We're gonna be bringing Barley, and also Charlie and Edgar. Just because. And the people that are not coming are Bendy, because he doesn't want to come, Scrap Baby, and Kara, and Tom. What? No! No! I want to be with Bendy!
Wait a minute, I can't come with you on the 4th of July?
No, you cannot come with us on the 4th of July.
Enjoy your time.
What? Don't leave me quiet! Anyways, guys, get your butts up of this seat and floor and let's go. Yeah, okay. Wait, what beach are we going to? The Coney Island beach. What? Coney Island, you know, as in Coney Island or something, like a ice cream cone. I don't know. That seems a bit weird. It's just Coney Island Beach, okay? So, let's go. Okay, let's go. Okay, I'm coming. I'm coming. He's not gonna bring me here. Well, I'm going to find a way. I'm gonna sneak. Okay, now let's be. Oh my gosh, we're finally out. 4th of July time. Are you sure we're on time? Cause it's very late at night. Yeah, we're on time. We're on time. Now where are the fireworks? Bendy, this is the beach. We're supposed to be on the boardwalk. But wait, no. What time is it? Guys, what time is it? It's actually 12 in the morning. Yeah, exactly. Wait a minute, so we missed it? Yep, we missed it. What the? Wait, the fireworks! What the? Yeah, those are just random people just shooting off fireworks. What the? So we actually missed the fireworks. Yep. You friggin'... Yes, I finally snuck here at the beach. Now, let's go. Wait, you serious, Circus Baby? Oh my gosh. Bendy! What the? Scrap Baby, what are you doing in here? I didn't invite you here. Well, I just wanted to come here because I want to be with you. No, stop. Ow. Okay, you know what? No, I'm getting away from here as possible. No, stop it! Oh my gosh, I love the beach, but where are the fireworks? There's literally no fireworks over here. Seriously? Bendy, I think we missed the firework. No, we couldn't have. Please, tell me no. No. Yeah, Bendy, we might have missed the fireworks, so... Yeah, sorry, tough luck for you, I guess. So, we're going home now, bye. No. No! This was my only chance to watch the fireworks because I love them so much. But apparently, it's too late. No, this is the worst day ever. I'm going to kill myself. Okay, that's it. I'm jumping off of here. Goodbye, cruel world. Goodbye. Hey, I missed the beach. Yeah, I remember when this was my home, but we moved. Sadly, Bendy couldn't come. But he would get lost anyway, so yeah. I'm finally at the beach. Anyways, I'm just gonna stay here for a bit. Something. Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna kick back, relax, and yeah. Yay. No, the fireworks can't be done. What the? Who are you? Sir, are the fireworks done? Are the fireworks over?
Yeah, I just recorded it. You want to see?
No, what? The fireworks are... No, that can't be possible. No, there's gotta be another way. No. What? What the? Are you kidding me? We missed the fireworks?
Sorry, dude. Later.
No! No, this is the worst day of my life. No, I just wanted to see the fireworks, but my career is over. I'm gonna... Now time for my genius plan. Alright, launch the fireworks. Yeah! What? What? Yep. I helped you with the fireworks situation. Scrap baby, I can't believe you actually did that. Oh my gosh. I could just hug you right now. Really? Nah. Okay, anyways guys, we saw the fireworks, so we're going home now. Anyways, let's go. What the? Wait. This is the #1 thing I hate about the 4th of July. Every time we try to go home, there is always a traffic jam. This is gonna take a while.